Some patterns might ask you to locate what's called the third loop or the back bump of a half treble crochet stitch or a US half double crochet stitch. So this is me looking at the front of my half treble stitches that I've just worked. If I turn over, at the top you can see this is the top of the stitch where you've got the little V to show, and if we follow that down here, it's almost like you can see another V at the back. So from there it's the top, and all of a sudden it's become another one. And I'll just point here is your third loop. So if I turn it around to show you a bit better, here's the top of your stitch, turn, and here is the third loop. So this is where you would work your stitch. So to give an example, I'm working backwards and forwards in rows. So here's the top of my stitches previous. Because I'm working backwards and forwards in rows, here's my third loop. And if you're working into that third loop, you'd go under like so and work your stitches as normal. So I'll just do a few double crochets to show you what I mean. And can you see the position here? It leaves a little bit of a ridge. And that's how you find the third loop of your half treble.